excuse me, you dropped this. It's the key to your happiness. Yes, there is a formula. The first thing is to end the internal war that is going on, that is keeping you so divided within yourself. The next is to take action based on being that benevolent leader within yourself. And then and by the way, that benevolent leader has integrated those aspects, is very aware of them, and understands what is in the best interest of those parts. Then we take action. And with all action, with all decisions, come consequences. So we accept that is where we have chosen to put our energy, and we accept the consequences because it's a rock and a hard place. We are not going to be able to avoid those consequences. It's about choosing them wisely and consciously. And then we can really put all of our energy towards what it is that we're wanting. And it feels like this.